But every once in a while I like to take a leaf blower and blow out the dryer vent. On our rental property we have a dryer vent that goes up through the roof and really far, so we have to do that a lot more often. For this one we only do like once a year because it's pretty short. But we'll get a view down here and we'll get a view upstairs. But this Kobalt 480 CFM, 110 mile per hour winds, works out pretty good. 40 volt, and it fits in here perfectly. Kind of a satisfying feeling knowing your dryer vent's cleaned up.
Ew.
And that's it. There's no brakes.